God, Mr. Brown, answer your phone, answer your phone. Voicemail. Voicemail again. Alright. No!
I'm tired of scraping, tired of somehow. New shoes, big plan, clean white tee. I see that bank app staring back at me. I need a lane, I need a door. One good run, then I need some more. I'm not asleep, I'm on my grind. Got gold on my mind all day, all time. Tell me who's up, tell me what's next. I got a fire in my chest. One sharp move, one clean break. I'm done with broke, I'm wide awake. Make me rich now, make me rich now. I want the green, I want it loud. Make me rich now, make me rich now. I'm not waiting around. Stack it up, stack it up. Put my name on the tree.
Good morning.
Morning.
What?
I'm there. How was your morning work?
Alright.
You put a nice dress, yeah.
I just had a fitter, man.
Yeah.
You look nice in there.
Mm-hmm.
Why? Listen, how was work?
Mm-hmm.
You ever frustrated?
Yeah, sometimes.
Honestly, I feel like something just make it bare minimum. Like, barely just make me just make money when I spend back. Like some of my money I make me only make money for go back I work. And some of the time I make my money for give something for eat. Some of the time I want to buy myself a burger, but I can't afford it. Right now, so work I come like, you know, make no sense. I just do nothing to do. I don't see nothing better. I don't have no better option. But work now going good right now. A paycheck to paycheck, and sometimes if I pay for you one day later and the bill then pile up on me, I lose credit. Right now, I don't know this. I have to go find something to do.
Oh, God, gosh. But they can't worry about it. They can't put them something on your mind.
Why is it, sir?
Because you can't fix it. You gotta go fix it. Leave it to God. Just pray and leave it to God. Give God room for work.
Yeah, but God help those who help themselves.
God to say you help yourself. You know, they do the little work, you know. I help you, help yourself.
Yeah, but suppose this I gotta tell me say, yo, you know, say that just me put you through this so you can say this not make no sense. So you can grow independent and just run out, go find something to do. Or start one little business or something like that.
What kind of business you gonna start now?
I don't know, you know. Right now.
You have to have a plan before you get up and run out of the work. When you get up and run out of the work now, where are you going to go? Where you going to run into?
No.
You can't just get up and run and you know, see no picture or nothing.
But look funny. Look at my friend like Jerome. Look how him buying crown out there. Just because I use the phone. You don't think I could have that out there too?
No.
Hello?
Every
money say no. You
listen to me. The type of work that Jerome do is not a very nice job. It's not a very nice job. Don't pick up yourself around go do that. Stay at the work where you're in. And you and Jerome are two different persons. You know what Jerome do for fee money.
Well,
you know the consequences why you don't get in a life. You do the dirty work why I'm doing now.
I know.
So leave that alone.
But boy, sometimes I'm just frustrated. And the bills them a pile up, man.
Stop worry yourself. Stop worry yourself. We have one another. We have one another and we get through this together. It's not you alone, it's me and you. And we figure it out.
Well, I understand that I'm not sweetheart, but love can't pay bills, and that's just all me I say. So, look back on so nice dress. Just
you better, yeah.
Let's do it. Me up?
Cause me
Yeah.
Okay. Come here tell us say 2 hours there. We can fix it together. You tell me say love can't pay a bill.
But I know like can't go on JP and say I love them and they say take 1 month free. Rasta 5 year. Yeah.
Daddy with David on.
Yeah, dog. Sad out and sick. You know what you are deal with?
But they are man and one long me not see bro.
Boy, I want to tell us say mom's pregnant now, dog. So I kinda certain things that I used to do, dog, can't do again. You know, see, for a while, me not even get to go on one party, bro.
Alright, me I say bro, mom's lucky done for you. A boy or a girl.
Boy, me don't know, you know. I know it, dog. Me already feel know. When he born, me know I make me jump up and happy. But through me, I'll have a lawyer thing and it's all about things, bro. But right now, I just link with some advice, dog. I mean, I spot them, I don't know what to do. Believe me.
Boy, Davi. Only advice me can tell you is to go and hold out, bro. Just be patient.
Bro, I mean, not tell her what happened yet. What do you mean go and all out?
See, you know, continue the story there, man.
Alright, yeah. What me I say is, things don't go my way, dog. I feel like say everybody I move fast and me take time and I crawl and sometimes I stop and I move none at all. Like, bro, everybody around me, dog. Most of my friends them from high school, man, they done some big mish. And I see dog them a shoot some GLE, some crown. Me not watch nobody, dog, but bro, me not even have one Burger King crown for my head. Me can't fuck with it. Things now move my way, dog. So when I'm one, me get tough out, I did alright. Well, so like, oh, I have moms now, and mom soon have a little junior. Things, me can't live so, bro. I paycheck to paycheck to paycheck, and when I hear them paycheck or miss, bills soon start pile up on me. I said, bro, everybody I move fast. Right now, me look at easy way out or sitting, dog. You don't have no look at ideas.
Why, Davi? You can't watch what you see all of your friends them graduate from school I do, you know, how you all of them turn niche and everything, you know. You have to just focus on yourself, focus on your goal. Remember, say patient is key, you know. Look for this house, sir. You think me gonna build one better house or one bigger house, bro? Me smart. Me put my money to use, me invest, bro. Right now, all of me youths them alright.
No, but that me sure, you know, you get a chance, bro. You get a chance to do all of that. Me not have a chance.
That.
Bro, you know how much money me I make a week time?
How much money?
Me tell you, laugh me to scan and say, boy, let me give you $1,000 to how it things embarrassing, bro. Me don't even want to chat about it.
How much money I make?
15,000.
15,000.
We can't chat so loud for
Sorry. Student 7 whisper is a liar, bro. But you know, put on 10,000 and spend 5,000, bro. Or you put on 5,000 and spend 10,000. By the time a month done, a whole heap of money that, you know.
Chargy, look, alright. Yes, if you know watch all of my classmates, them who done me, you know. Look at everybody on Instagram, dog. Look how everybody I go on good. Me see all like girl, them they make up nice. Me see all like dog, them I be ice and wrist and something, bro.
Bro, you see that life? Alright, look on the phone. Look on the girl up on my screen. You see her look, not true?
Clean, I feel.
Alright. You don't see her, not true?
No.
Alright, that for sure, say, bro, you see that life, bro. Now watch where you sip on the media, dog. Cause when that the phone they turn off, you know, bro. And nothing normal behind closed door, you know. Everything is a disgrace, bro. So now watch what they on the media, bro. What they on the media. See AI come prove you all of it wrong there. Everything come like a AI on the media nowadays. A girl only look good on the media, but in person, bro, she's nothing. So just patient, bro. Hold faith, have a strong mind, and just know say a key is a success to life, bro.
So yeah, so wrong in that, but you know what me I say right. Believe me, bro.
Davi, come here walk over here, so come like you know focus, bro. You need a walk, bro. Dad, you see in life, bro. You have to be patient. They have a thing name. You ever hear your grandparents tell us a shortcut draw blood?
Yeah, me hear that.
Alright, bro. Long road job bring sweat.
Yeah.
Better you go for the long road, bro. Go bust sweat, bro. Anything come too fast, bro, it go fast. It come fast and it leave fast, bro. And anything that will cause if you lose your life, bro. You think fast money is one normal thing?
Bro, me not say nothing where I say wrong. But you see fast money, dog. Me not even say money is fast, you know, but me want the money more. And I risk me to take on it, bro. I have to find something. I have to find something. Everybody cannot do well, and me not do nothing. That don't make no sense, bro. Me have to take a risk or do something.
Bro, you know, watch them. You know, watch what everybody are gonna do, bro. You know, watch it fast for them money are come, bro. Watch for your look, bro. You think they're happy out there with them fast money? Most of them. You know what they do? Forget for them money.
I don't know if they're happy, and I know say me are happy. I mean, not happy for myself. Me happy for the ones that me I care for. My dog. And me I said this. If I risk me, I have to go take me a tech risk and do it.
Remember, you know, my bro. You can't be too greedy in a life, you know. Greedy dog always losing what?
I was born. But at
Alright.
this year, I can't too comfortable. Car, ambition bring success. You know. You might think I greedy, but me just know. Say I see my goal and me I go for that. Believe me.
Well, you come here for advice, bro. You give advice. You must know what you want to do.
Respect said it. But yo, me I do it.
Yeah, bro.
Believe me, so me I do it and you see it.
And I always remember, say slow money is better than no money, bro.
Well, alright. Kayla.
Hold on.
Give my boy one beetroot juice for you. I know say I kind drink out, but through me there walk come and this one did a beat me like how it juice a beetroot.
Thank you very much.
No problem. So you did that from the guy?
Relax. Clean up your place at first and relax. That's all.
No.
I'm asking you, Christian.
What that?
What kind of plans you have for the future?
The future? Well, to be honest, I just want to get on better work, or as I start my business, might be investing in a stock portfolio. I don't know, some crypto or cryptocurrency, or me even know. Me just want to have some money, really and truly. I want to make sure it's a house and necessarily, but I want to get a big house. I want to pay having bones about everything. I just want everything nice for full life. I don't know how I'm going to do it yet, because right now, this is it. I just wish I could have find like an easy way out, you know? That me really wish I could have do. I don't know, sometimes I just really wish for that.
Well, it's so much to you. Hard work will pay off, but I think about no easy way, or there's not any easy way. The easy way is always the wrong way.
You feel it though?
Yes, yeah, do a little job and now sooner or later you're going to find a better job.
Yeah, but I know me need it. I know why time. And then I know for my friend them, I say take it easy way, and as I said, they're alright in our life. A whole heap of them alright. A whole heap of them I seen as some big beasts.
So me ask you one question now. You think what I'm going to do is right?
Well, I don't know if you're right, you know, but I'm sure so they're not live wrong. I'm sure so they're alright.
It is not right what they're doing. It's not a good thing. How would you feel if somebody do that to you?
They do it to me already. And I felt very bad.
So why you think you must do it to somebody else?
Because I never get back my revenge and I never get back any money. But I'm just assure you.
Okay,
Me,
well...
no, watch out, real and true. Me not have half of that, you know, but me just I say, them take it easy way out and in life a benefit right now. And me I work so hard and I can't see no benefits. I just that me I talk about.
Know yourself. One day, God is going to send an angel come to help us.
Send him come now.
No. And when you say Ray, and when God say you're ready for it.
So what must do in the meantime? What must do in the meantime
Well,
then?
you can't just go and work hard, as I said before. Or you can get if you can get another work on the side and have 2 jobs.
Hard work. Hard work.
9 to 5 work.
Yeah,
Not
all my
no sit down and dip on the phone work.
But all my life me I work hard and look where you put me nowhere. I still have to walk in a sun and
Let me ask you one question now. The house where you have, you work hard for it.
Yeah.
So you mean by you have nothing?
Yeah.
Enough people don't have any house.
What listen to me I say, me work hard when I'm me alone. But you make money house and when I'm me alone, I could have tough out it. But now I have you and
So you're trying to say my parents?
no. I could never say that, but now me have to work 10 times harder. And hard work cannot eat. I just let me show you.
Well, I know say I'm not really the right time. But I have something to show you in the house.
Something good.
When I show you, you decide that for yourself. Come on.
I could have waited before me, so.
Oh, yeah.
How is?
We couldn't leave the bank. We got try open up a account. But till we married and something. I mean I just said last name. They must make if you find out you have outstanding debt.
Debt?
Yes, you pay that. Put on the paper. See? You see?
110,000 for?
It's like, remember say, it's like say, as according to them, you never did done pay off the mortgage for the house.
Did because $15,000, then me not can pay that anytime.
So, how long that now, Pavi? You know, see, our interest gone, Pani?
210,000.
Yes. And them say you need to start make payments or else bailiff don't come and you know what they do. You understand me? I try
Bring
to
up
come.
$15,000 and the interest make it so high now. 200K that
But a long time now, them a say it did it.
What me?
I saw bank work. I saw it work. Even when you borrow a loan and you take long to pay it back, it's more money than what you borrow is going to pay back. That is how bank work. And I never know. But don't worry yourself. We leave it to God.
I don't know what to do now. I don't know what to do. Look how hard me a fight. Look how hard me a fight.
But no, say it's not me. Oh, sure.
I know I just pay in that time. If you know, say I just pay everything would have work out. But actually, I say no. I treat myself, you know. And through my birthday, I carry myself for dinner.
Hush. Listen to me. Don't worry yourself. We get through this, yeah. I go say I can get one little work on the side and try to pay some bills. Although I'm pregnant, I go say I can find one little easy job. Like if we walk good on in the lane and sell some things, you know as it. But I go try see if we can get a job and help pay the bill. Because we know when they come to copy us.
Kayla, don't worry about it. I go find one way. Believe me. I don't know what I go do, but I find one way. You don't need to lift a finger. I promise you.
No man, me have to help.
I promise you. So I go make sure say everything alright. I don't want you to do no work. I don't want you to strain yourself.
No, I'm not going to
I
strain
don't want you to strain
yourself.
yourself. I don't want you to do no work at all. Just comfortable. I know say what left to do, but me promise. Me go make sure say everything alright.
Alright. But me I go still say me can do a helping hand. Me no handicap, not because me pregnant.
Yeah.
Me still can do something.
The helping hand what you have to do is just make sure say you alright.
Me alright.
Okay.
I told we not this together. So me I go help us, so don't worry yourself. We got this.
Alright, thanks for the here.
Yes.
Hills.
Davi, how are you there, sir?
Oh, go on.
How are you there? So you look so.
Why? I know the world come down for me, but me alright still. I don't want to burden you with my problem. You know, me just, they alright.
You think we got alright still?
You alright?
Yeah, man, me good life. Agree with me.
You can see that, man. See how I put on weight. Watch your hairstyle just. Watch how y'all get brown. It ain't so brown.
Davi is a run.
It ain't so brown.
That one.
You're good, man.
Well, life, I go on.
You can't give me some of your happiness. Give me a secret for your happiness, man. Let me find it.
Why is secret for happiness? I think you want a secret. Make it stay here, man. You want a job?
Give me
You look though. You look like you do well with a job.
Alright, how many you smoke still, but.
Oh, yo, give me back me something.
Oh.
You want a job? You don't even know how to like it.
You don't want it anyway. Yo, wait, actually, I don't know, man. Yo, things rough for me, man. Give me some of my happiness to show, man. Do.
I mean, by things are fun. What one?
I'm bored with my information, man. Just know, say.
Well, my life nice. Nice. Life great with me, not lie. Everything for me, it used to go downhill. But now, it is there, so I know it way up here, so.
I'm glad
Life
for,
nice.
I'm glad for hear that, man. I'm glad to know. Asha. So here me look there, man. How much for this? Asha? Whoa.
Listen, miss.
Wait. I find all the come and I spend for you.
If I need man, if I not bad and bad, but you know the fun thing, I may spend for myself.
For real?
Yeah. Me make my own money, easy money to quick money.
Quick money.
Quick money me I make.
How?
By how? Alright. Basically, I make this person. The person I explained to me say if me invest like $1,000, me get my money double. But me never believe it at first. So
Scam that, man.
listen no boss scam. Me never believe that at first. So me say alright, me invest $10,000 first.
10,000.
Me invest $10,000. And this is 2 weeks later. At 20,000, I'm to come back in my account. I never believe it.
For real?
20,000 come back in my account.
Real
20,000. Real sum. All thing they want are my bank information, like my bank code, my ID and chair and then something there. That's all they want I'm get. And then after that, I start invest 100, I see 200 come back. I invest 200, I see 400 come back. And some money I double up.
For real.
Let me buy for real.
Aliyah. You can't give me the link there.
No, Davi. I don't think you're that interested.
No, man, me interested.
Why you not interested? I don't think your life good. You have your house, you're good.
My life good, my backside. What part of life? Aliyah, I told me no like chat my business right now, me in a stress. A bank send for mortgage. Me never pay 115,000 because interest gone on you at 230,000 me have to pay now or 200 and something thousand.
I mean by
Aliyah, right now things have got downhill for me. I told me no like talk my business. I swear to God about right now I'm worse than me this. You ever see me I smoke? I mean I take cigarette from you. Take you and go sell you a while ago. Wait for your boy.
sell what?
No cigarette. Sell it for one bills or something. Right now things are for me.
Alright, Davi, listen one. You see all the reason that let you upon the link there? I told me know a long time I have good to. But me don't know if it's serious cause we don't want no people who are unserious in this. Are good people. But you see man I make sure so you get back your money. And I send it straight in your account. The last time I make sure I bring somebody in this $500,000 they invest and a $1 million they get back. $1 million they get.
So me know $1 million too.
That me I tell you.
You take $1 million too.
I ain't saying but I don't know if you withdraw out thing.
If you have money for me now, me take out here and give me that link there, man.
Alright, tell you what, I'll take back your number.
Yeah.
I'll take back your number, just give me back your number and then me give you information. But me I tell you the thing legit. And just to make sure I don't know play thing you find it.
Yeah, what? See them, see them phone. Hey, no call me a night enough. I'm leaving with my woman.
No, why me I go call that
Me
night?
just a tell her, Aliyah. Me serious.
That's strictly business me deal with.
Right.
Me don't let the play thing. And Davi, make sure you not ramp with my badness. Cause the man that if I know to grow on the song, come back on the song, go up the song, come back, that's the thing. If I invest, just trust the process, you're gonna get back bigger than what you think. Believe.
Aliyah, come here. You know what I said? You know what I said? Me and you put them. You see, opportunity where I give me right now, I'm gonna hug you for me. Can I hug you?
Yeah, man,
Come, Aliyah. Hug you.
Yeah, man, good man. Back in the days, remember so when me never not used to help me, you know.
Aliyah, you see,
I know we can
work out. You know, cheat my woman and that kiss up on your forehead.
No bother with it. No bother with it. It a go work out. And when it work out, it a go see me if I kiss me for no forehead. And me have my little spoon where I kiss me somewhere. Alright. Bye. Later, Davi.
Or you want to call me here?
Yeah, man.
Send out, make the money fast. Come on, come call me hard. Kayla.
Baba.
Guess what? Find the opportunity. Me see where I got my rich now. Turn off the fan. We don't want a fan. AC where I got to know. No want a fan. AC where I got to know. Find the opportunity. We get rich. How?
Where else now?
Find the opportunity where we get rich. Crazy rich.
Which opportunity that?
I have a friend. Aliyah. I see God by chance I see Aliyah on the road a while ago. And I see him. Aliyah never look how he look when me just know him. Aliyah brown. Aliyah put on weight. Aliyah have diamond ears ring in her ears. So he see me and hear me and say, Aliyah, you change up, man. I tell me, say, you must start making your own money now. And I ask him about, he say, if he can give me some of my sauce too. And I say, you have one link. Send him 5,000, you get back 10,000. You send him 50,000, you get back 100,000. Any money you send him in, double it and send it back to you in a couple of days. All you want are some information from you and your ID.
But that not nothing to do with me.
Nothing to do with me. You know.
Where reaching at that?
I go reach now.
Oh, where reaching at that?
Me will give more money and see if he can double it and send me back.
Pinch me. I want to see if Mr. that show you.
What kind of real life this? You send him some money and he send me back some money. And this I have a chance now. It's like me I pray to God and God answer my prayers.
In a scamming something?
What kind of
So
scamming?
I'm not involved. God in a scamming something.
What kind of scamming?
What you mean by you send somebody 5,000 and them give you 10,000?
You know, explain it to me fully, but if you know, explain it to me fully, cause I don't really.
Me not believe in that, my dear.
Why?
I'm sorry. No. That not look right. That not look right. It not sound right. It not feel right. Nothing about that is not right. How you are gonna look on somebody and give them $5,000 and them give you 10,000? What am I get out of it?
Yeah, I invest.
Where they invest in her? Where you invest in her?
All of that yet. I hit me.
It might not work out for you, no. It will not work out for you.
Suppose it work out, but suppose it work out. Huh?
No, we're not sure about that. Leave that alone.
No, what? Listen now. Me now gonna jump on it. Cause listen. Aliyah supposed to connect me with it, man. And me and him have a meeting. I'll figure out how it go. But me just say me and make know everything first. Me not just jump.
We don't have no meeting.
Eh?
We don't have no meeting.
No, we don't have it yet. I tell her.
No, me I say we're not going to have any meeting.
No, you don't have to go. Where you go, man?
You not have no meeting. Where you pick up yourself and put yourself in a... So to me, oh, does that work?
Aliyah tell me.
Oh, you ever say the post and dog don't have the set lock? Suppose Aliyah they behind all of this.
Yeah.
And Aliyah go rob you now. You know have nothing, you know see that? Remember we have the mortgage to pay for the house.
Exactly. That is
So how that I go help we where we are? Davi, we feel like you wake up me out of my sleep for stupidness. This is what I am saying.
No.
This is what I am saying. I don't have time for your foolishness. Me not think that I go work out. That now go work out. That now go work out.
Suppose it work out. Suppose it does. Alright. Look on this. Suppose how this change your life. Suppose.
And me not think of this.
Suppose at this.
Me not think of this.
Suppose at this me can put it in a line nice clothes them.
Me alright in the clothes and me have on. Me alright in a one me in a now.
Suppose at this me can buy a burger for dinner and night.
No, me alright.
Suppose at this me can treat you how you deserve to be treated.
Suppose that this ruin my life worse than how you ruin already. You need to think like you have sense. Me tell you, there's not an easy way out. There's only the hard way. You know where you bounce and go over this so they fall back at Aliyah and go. But take a little time and come back right here, so.
Kayla.
Puss and dog don't have the same.
Negative.
Oh, I'm being negative.
Because just you're not even listening to what
Me listen what you're saying.
No, but
You say you're going to give somebody $10,000 and they're going to give you back 20. And if you give them 5, then give you 10. So you must know. So tell me, say me not hear good. I'm not listen good. So tell me say not good so. They come like partner, like what happened to my friend when my friend in a partner and the partner woman run off with her money. And the people and money who she tell. And she have to turn back around and pay back the people because she tell the people about partner. So you turn there and follow Aliyah.
alright, baby. I appreciate the concern. Listen, I'm not going to jump down nothing yet. Because I didn't even know the person yet. I'm not even get introduced to him yet. What may I
No, me I tell her for now.
Well, listen not. Please, just nice. I'm glad for your opinion. I come to you to find out what you think about it. But listen.
Me just tell you.
Listen now. May I go back to one of my friends and get one second opinion on it?
Her opinion is enough.
Yeah.
If they're going to come and tell me out of my sleep.
Yeah, if you tell her good news, but me just want one second opinion on it. And after we have a meeting, me I just know everybody say. And if you not work out, me just start off with $1,000. If me lose $1,000, nothing that baby. Not true. Tell the truth.
Check good.
Tell the truth.
Check good.
What do I do?
Because I don't back. You talk to me.
Alright.
Turn on back my fan, can I ain't see my hair yet.
Yet, make my you see your belly. You see it out there, not true. It's out there. You see your belly. Don't get second up in the alley. Look on. Buy one GLE too. Rich! 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 Rich!
Hold on there.
Rich!
Yo, man, bro.
Why are Richard?
So,
Richard!
say you just left me a few hours ago. How you fruit so fast?
Guess.
You're winning that up.
Hey, why we don't need lot of Richard and lot of. It's an opportunity to find, bro, but this time I have to link you and make you know what I want.
Some of me know what I go on.
Yeah, alright. Oh, yeah, that feel. Alright. Different, yeah, $1,000.
No, me don't have no money.
Alright, no sure.
What magician man this?
This a for your money.
Yeah.
Give me, bro. Give me. Give me again. You understand?
Oh, come like a gamble.
No, no, brother. It's a. Alright, watch out. It's a link me have. But post me upon a link where you give them $1,000 and you give back $2,000. You give them 2,000 and you give back 4. You give them 5. You don't give back 10. 10, 20, 100, 200. You understand?
No, Davi, you don't pan coke.
No?
You did a smoke.
You don't smoke.
Yo, me not trust that.
You don't trust it. Me just do it with you and you see it.
So who you gonna do it with?
Me have one friend named Aliyah, but an Aliyah do it. Aliyah have one link. We give one link. So them me don't go to know. Me and them fi link up and start out everything. But me say more one second opinion first. Cause me tell the woman and he just say, you know, you know some more things. But true, you me know you as a wise man. Someone hear what you a say.
Me not think that's a good idea.
Why?
There's no way you can give somebody $5 bills and win 1,000.
So how me just do it all over?
Bro, wake up now, bro. You just sleep. One day, bro. How you want to run them the wrist? Bro, I already said that, bro. That sound too good for the true,
But
bro.
me tell you say a risk make millionaire. A risk is the key, bro. And boss like me idea talk about not too long, you know. And yeah, say yes, me follow my dreams.
Bro, you see that the idea there? What's that scamming to you? You better go scam.
No, sir. No, sir. I will never do that. No matter how broke me be, I will never do that, bro. As much as me think about it, I would have glad for your money. I don't mind think that. But me as what me could have do wrong in this, bro? Me just give a man 1,000 or 10,000 and give him back double the money. What kind of harm in that?
Bro, that is a scam, bro.
How?
That is a prank. How you mean how? There's no way, bro. You can't give man money for receive money, bro. You're mad.
I invest. You don't know about crypto and Bitcoin asset when I invest it.
I could have crypto, me no business, bro. I could have hit kind, Bitcoin, name kind, any kind, bro. Me no business, bro. That is a scam, bro. Don't fall feet.
So how me I get scammed? And people tweet already and them get back their money. Where scam me? Me not get scammed.
Who you know do it?
Aliyah. Me not get scammed.
Alright. Then so one hand can't clap, you know. So me not advise you fee.
Prove you wrong again. Prove you wrong again.
So when I come like, you put one piece of cheese on one rat chop and rat chop sister is a chop and still go for it and end up get chopped. You know easy, you know. Well,
You know, I'm glad for your opinion. Me link you because I feel you're smart, but year one. You know, try it, you know, start off small and see if it work. What hear about it. I tell you, you know, you can see it.
alright bro.
Big up yourself here, my smart friend.
You live in a your scamming, sir. Dad.
Aliyah. When I do what I do with you, nothing about it. You say you're sure, say every order is good.
Davi, just relax now. Me tell you say thing legit.
No, man, I'm tell you what happened, no, make me really ask. You know what say everybody I say come like a scam. Me not believe say if it me did feel so I'm calling Kayla, but everybody I say said things say this that bluff by far his call fat and certain answer might be you know.
Might be nothing. Nothing no scam. It's Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown, when he doing thing, he do it legit. He no go around no corner. No dead for Mr. Brown thing. You see me?
And it worked for you.
It work for me. Davi, you remember when me did look mag and suck out? Right now, me a flourish na money. Mr. Brown so rich, man. Now yourself.
Alright, man, so you should have reached already if you know what time, so.
Hey, Mr. Brown,
Aliyah?
come on your own timing. Watch out. Look at this, Mr. Brown.
Aliyah!
What?
What's up, Aliyah?
I'm okay. As you can see, I'm doing fine.
Morning.
Morning, sir.
Morning. Blessed, my
Yeah.
boy.
Davi, Mr. Brown, Davi. And him, I first let me tell about investing in a business and so
Alright, so as Aliyah tell you, I am Mr. Brown. You understand? And I'm here to get more details about you, because Aliyah tell me that you would like to be a part of the business. But if you would like to be a part, just want to tell you you're a lucky guy.
Oh.
If you want to come on board. Because basically, I was about to put this business on pause, shut it down.
Why?
Because we are doing a lot of business and we have a lot of different branches and so forth, so we're just put this business on pause, so other people can come over and take over the business, I'm in this business for a long period of time, so it's my time to step aside now. So
Alright. I'm glad to hear some would have been part of it. Alright, what me not understand? Aliyah said if you give her money or double it. How that come about?
alright, so do you ever heard about Bitcoin and stocks and bonds and those things?
Yeah, some look idea. What
Alright, so when you give me that money now, I'm gonna invest in that money that you give me. I'm gonna add it up and you can get the rest. Do you understand? So you're gonna give me a money. So if you give me 5,000, that's an example, I'm gonna double it up to a 10,000 or even 15,000 or if possible 20,000. Yeah, man. So the business that I'm doing right now, you give me a money and I double it up.
Yeah, make money off of that trade.
Yeah, man, I flip it. Yeah, man, of course, man. But that is the reason why I say I'm putting on pause. So other people can come up and, eat piece of the cake.
This is to me, Davi. Mr. Brown, rich man.
Yeah, man, look for me.
Rich.
See this watch? I pay $1.5 million for this watch.
Really?
This chain here, I paid 300,000 for it. And this bag right here, look at it. This is bag called Jeep. Yes, I pay 50,000 for this.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
So, I tell you,
So-
I struggle, so I don't see why he thinking.
At that.
So let me know if
Just
you're
you send
interested
them-
because
Me tell you, say, if you know,
I'm on time right now.
Nobody waste my time,
Alright.
I'm on time right now. I'm a man of time, so talk to me quick, please.
Here one. You know, we know say the one time, but here now, just it 1 second. Just all run back over my yard. Cause the woman have it.
Oh, so you would like to be a part of right?
Yeah, man.
Alright,
Like
so
legit.
yeah, man, it's very legit. So all I needed is your TRN, your ID, and your bank information. So if you give me the money today, in a couple hours time, or the next day, you can get your package.
Alright. Hello. Look, you can wait or so. Let's
Yeah,
go
man.
half hour. I'll be back in no time.
Or then I can attempt to another customer because another customer would like to sign up, so Aliyah can call me and I check back right here.
Alright, no problem. Respect here, Mr.
Alright, and Aliyah, thanks again, like we are bringing
No,
client.
come back. No, we're here.
Alright, may I go and wait then, no problem. Like we are bringing a client them Aliyah, because I tell you, I just want to eat off the business now so other people can come in and, take control. Because the business are going good, and a whole heap of client may I get from all angles. You understand? And this business I put food in my pocket. Because right now, just see a whole heap of food in the thing. Yeah, and you're a good client also. But one day, you still can accomplish what I have also. Cause look out here.
One day.
So may I drive X6. Look, you see any all start out there already. One day we accomplish, man.
Boy, time, man. Yo, Tibby. Davi, fall over yard now. I want to pray for sure, bro. Ah.
Davi, done.
You read fast, man.
Yeah, bro.
Fast, man.
Ready?
Boy,
So how easy you call me over here for now?
would come link you over your yard and that, but you're going to really like.
Right now, me want to kill me hungry, dog.
No worry, man. I soon have money. We can buy all the burger later on too. But here I go on. I buy like a shoot program there I show you yesterday.
Yeah.
I meet up with them in a dog. And you know nothing about stock portfolio.
Stock portfolio.
Yeah.
Me hear about it.
You know nothing about it. Alright, not sure. So my reason with it general, Mr. Brownie saying him. My reason with him and dog, everything my man tell me, you know, I think is what me kinda know enough, me don't know enough about. Basically he must say him a fund to an organization where you give him a thing and because the knowledge what him have already in give back a thing. The reason why him can do everything is because him not have enough funds. So he said it soon reach one point where him more tackling people and just go in a circle right now and just them all get the benefits and teachings. So
Alright, I'm hungry as a boy.
Michael anyway, so me I say. So basically
Yeah, man, bro. 3 walk when I walk, bro. And you know, yeah, talk.
they hungry for a different reason. Basically, the dog I say, right now I lucky say he even consider me right now. And he must say if me skeptical, then it make no sense if I just keep my money. In a real life, just keep my money if I'm skeptical. So right now that show me say he just I don't want no money. He not do it for himself. He just do it for betterment type people, them, bro. So right now I invest.
Boy, Davi. You still fall for your shaggy. How you love bucket toast up?
I'm not about to turn up now. So what you say, you really don't think me for invest?
Invest in a that scamming.
Bro, I because you know did I understand certain things that you know no knowledge about crypto or wallets and anything like
Can't move man, this a call me, I'm just left here. They're mad. She same one.
so yeah, do you cut?
No, they for cut. Me no answer her. She alright. Me not just left here.
Say what best you go over there, you know. You go over and get liquor.
Yeah, me run my show, you know. I'm a promoter, you think of you? But what me I say now, bro, is me not think of a fall for that one day.
I'm going still, bro. Cause me a reason with moms. Me I tell you that. But what man I say, it makes sense to me. And me feel like, you see, if me invest and lose, me feel like I just one of them things there, bro. In a real life.
Can't say me never want you know.
Can't say. Me never try bring it on board them.
Nothing try, nothing done still. It's up to you if you want to do it. You're your own man, but me not do it.
I'm not afraid.
Try something else, dog.
Mm-hmm.
But they try something more positive, bro.
So how you go?
Now go me hard, bro.
Oh, yeah, I'm afraid I over. Go on, man.
You're easy. You know.
Go on, man. Yo, if I want everything work out, me send you bills.
Alright, bro.
Yeah. I'm going and make plans now.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi. You alright?
Yeah.
So how was the meeting? Cause me here you come and up on the veranda.
Oh, I don't say I think my details for link my door, man. Them there reason look a bit. Boy said meeting thing.
So him a one of the puppy show them. Or invest in the business too.
First of all, I'm a puppy show. Second of all, no, you're that. Believe it or not, you know, say Tibby have one daughter too.
What?
Daughter. I'm not believing it.
Oh.
And he wants somebody who may link for second opinion. He must say, nah, but I'm telling you, some of the time you just have to take risks. I mean, nothing you understand. So, true, he can come and meet me. You don't understand. In real life, man, I tell me some things and make me say, yes. I swear if you go for true. Because he might tell me about e-commerce, marketing, Bitcoin, all heap of things he might tell me. Some of the things I don't even understand. But the way I talk, I know say everything legit.
Davi, all me can say is that you see, far as I see, it's like you make up your mind already upon what you go do. And me not going to try to change your mind, and I'm not going to change your mind. One thing I can tell you is to be careful and think wisely before you do what you do. Just sit down and really think about it. So you the plan to invest, how much money you plan to invest?
What you want to say me I start off with around 125 or 120?
What is it?
120,000.
Davi, you don't even see you start off with 110. You can only be at 20 and you don't even know. You don't even know if this something. Alright. Alright. As I said before, I could support you. Although me know with it, I'm going to support you. You understand? I don't think you're supposed to invest no 25 or no 20,000. Invest 10,000. If you lose 10,000, it will shake your butt. You will alright, you will recover. Do not invest no 25. I don't know you reach so far. You have to invest small. You have to tell you baby steps. You ever want to take some wide, big, ugly step. Take time and slow down, man.
Big step for big progress, you know. But alright, you see, because you're supportive, I do that.
Yeah.
I invest it 10.
So how I need to start invest?
I did for go back and confirm with them, you know, because you would have tell me everything this morning. I go over Aliyah yard, but if you send off everything now and see if everything really connect.
So what kind of something like when I know the meeting, what they say to you?
Everything. As me tell you, they explain the process to me. Explain how often me get paid and all that. Instantly. Explain why I do it. I tell me say, right now, I come perfect time because cutting did a cut off. You have enough people who you need and half of this in town. You know, I need nobody else. Cause I help out the people, you know. Cause when rich I know him know what I do. You know, so I help out some people when they need it.
So if him rich, why not just give you the money?
I say that not go work. We can't just give you money. Look how much people are giving money and the world not change. So him say eventually more teach you what to do, but now him just go and stack up somewhere.
Okay. Anything what you say?
Okay. So you with me?
Yeah, me just tell you.
Okay.
But me not agree. This will be supportive.
No worry, man. Me not try to change your mind.
Yeah.
Just try to change your life for you better.
Alright. That way the close them now.
Okay.
Aliyah, this youth is taking up my time, you know. You know, I'm
Just
here
give
all
a few
long
more
now.
minutes, man. Just few more
Seems
minutes.
like I want 100 pack in my account, give me for invest with.
Sorry, me take so long.
Yeah, man, cause I was wondering where were you?
Alright.
Yeah, man, ID, TR, bank information.
So alright, you're all gone. This I want me to get back my ID.
Yeah, I get it back the same time when the money I come through, man.
Alright.
Or if you make hold on, I just take a picture of it. So everything will look good.
So the picture your work?
Yeah, man, the picture work, man. Or if you want me to carry with me, no problem.
No man, make a handle it. Thank you.
Yeah, man. So
Alright, so this is 10,000.
alright, so you want, yeah, man. So you go get back 20.
Me text your bank information. Text it to Aliyah, come in your contact.
Yeah, yeah.
Send
So
it to you.
yeah, man. So send it to me, Aliyah, okay?
Okay, no.
Or TRN.
Alright, it depends on the ID, man.
Oh, okay. Alright, so me get back to you.
Alright.
And if you investing go on good too, because sometimes we flip it and some bigger money come up. So if you flip good, you will get all 30.
30.
Yeah, man, all 40. But a 20 I money if you get in, but if you flip good, you get a 30 or 40.
Alright, thank
So
you.
nice doing business there. Aliyah, nice doing business
Which
there.
one?
You hear?
Yeah.
No problem. Davi your name, right?
Yeah.
Davi, you make a really good decision. Because a lot of people don't believe in this business. But I tell you, for me make you get rich fast. Your life can change with this what you just do a while ago. You know, so things go happen for you, man. Good decision you make, here.
Alright, big
Aliyah,
bro.
big up again, here. Alright, see you guys soon.
So, me tell you about?
Alright.
Know yourself, your money will come in no time. Just watch. And remember this, when I get the money, remember to haunt me. Now, when I will not kiss pan for it, you know.
I hope you get through.
But yeah, we'll get through, man. Know yourself. So you can go on your yard now.
You come over here.
Yeah, man.
Thanks. Refresh.
How do you?
NC give me a look in at me. I refresh every minute.
Why?
Call man, say I told them would I get your money.
See this the thing that I talk to you about?
What?
How much money you get the man?
10,000.
Well, that's alright. That not really shake you. What you shake you about? Ridiculous, ain't it? Real.
Because but I told them said me I'll get it. So I told them they expect to get it.
So why they are refresh over and over?
Because more as the money land, me see it in my account. So me can't
Me don't think you get the money.
Why you not think so?
Because me tell you say it never really was a scam. Me look for me tell you say it was a scam, but you never believe me. Me sorry, but I sorry though. Don't worry. I got alright. I got alright.
Kayla make me feel like it all.
Alright, you see it? Tell us you set up Aliyah set up anything.
No man, I don't set up thing man, me feel.
So how the man say money I come to the hand where the money can reach?
Might be,
You there, you refresh.
might be,
You could have refresh it 10 times. You're not going to see anything new. Nothing is not wrong with the app.
So I really think so, man, would I really scam me?
Yes.
But-
Who you see in Jamaica? You they give them 10,000 and when you look them I give you back 20,000.
Well,
Who you see doing that?
me not know, but me think so this man will do it.
I'm sorry, but that's like go. Stop obsess yourself over the stupidness. I did warn you. But the warn you to say there's not a such thing as an easy way out. It's only the hard way. The 9 to 5 job.
God.
You're
Hold on,
hustling.
hold Hello?
Davi,
Hello?
this is Davi, right?
Yeah, this is Davi.
Yeah, man, my Starlink kinda give me a little problem. So, me never have no internet. My NCB app give a little problem. So, me get a location from Aliyah. So, you can meet me outside.
Mr. Brown, this sir?
Yeah, man, Mr. Brown is speaking it.
So, wait, you're there in front of my yard now?
Yeah, man, me just reach around the lane, so you can meet me out of the gate.
Alright, watch I know, me not think he car where drive can come in, so might be have to go walk come up, because lane kind of rocky. I don't know if your car low, but me come out, they come meet her right now, man.
Yeah, man, me have the money in and I'm sorry for the delay.
No, you know, so just that, alright, me depend me.
Alright.
What happened? That's how you smile?
You see, a scam, no scam, Mr. Brown called me. Mr. Brown just called me and said the money reach. So come back, I pick up the money.
So you're going home?
No, the money late, then come back and collect it in my hand. I smell it, I see it. I soon come back here. No call me, no call me. Yeah, I soon come back.
Be careful.
Oh, Mr. Brown, you know you're away for true, man.
Pleasant, good evening again, man. Oh, go on.
Good evening, man.
Yeah, man, as I say, I'm really sorry about the delay. You understand, my NCB account give me a little problem. You know, I don't know what kind of glitch I go on. I can't transfer nothing at all.
Me no cut you. You know, some mine I get problem too, cause from morning me I refresh and me not see no money.
No, man, I never send it. As I say, I get a
Oh,
problem,
oh,
man.
oh.
So, this is your money, so count it. Yeah, man, you're real, man. So, remember, if you want to invest bigger, you can. You know, but this is your first money. You give me 10, and I care about 20.
Mr. Brown, thank you.
Yeah, man, no problem,
Thank
man.
you.
And you can tell a friend to tell a friend.
Eh.
Yeah, man. So you can tell a friend to join. You know, if you want.
Yeah, you're gonna start accept more people and trade.
Yeah, man. Here what I wanna know. You see, me I go to bank and I go sort out the account business that give me a little problem. So you see, anytime you want give me a little money to get more money, you just send me in my account and me send back your money in your account.
Mr. Brown, so why most money you that thing?
Well, if you want give me a mil, you give me a mil. I give you 2 mil.
Your bad
If you
so.
want give me 1.5, I can give you all 3 mil. You know, so as me I say, you just give me a money and me give you back more money upon it.
You know, listen, last year I see me, I tell you, man.
Yeah, man, as
Yeah.
me say, tell a friend. You can
What?
tell your woman, you can tell your mother, you can tell your uncle, your auntie, anybody, a side woman. Me don't know if you have one, anybody. All the
Side
pussy
woman.
you can tell to
Hey,
anyone.
thank you so much. Right now, me I go fling this upon me.
Yeah, man, as me say, you can
thank
reach
so much,
out
yeah.
of this, man. Your
Thank
life
you.
can change, man.
Thank you, yeah.
And tell everybody, say, Mr. Brown.
Alright, no problem, yeah.
Alright, no
Alright.
problem.
Thanks, yeah.
Yeah, man.
You alright? You am calling again?
No, man, me alright.
You sure?
I'm good, man.
Alright.
Go on, man.
Alright,
Yeah, man, just remember, any more transfer from NCB.
alright.
Alright.
Thanks, yeah.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Hey, Mr. Brown. Thanks.
Yeah, man, you're welcome, man. Send a bigger money next time.
Oh, I'm making a skin your teeth again. Oh,
Well, I see man in a beer sport. I'm not good at all.
what happened?
What do you think of?
You want to look what happened?
What?
You like get the money. Had that? Oh God, honey, oh God. Listen to me. Me did warn you. I did preach night and then I did tell you say, listen to what I'm saying. It was a scam, but no. You never want to listen. But don't worry. We get through this together. And I'll cuss her. I'll cuss her later. Oh, got me here. I'm glad we did look at him down, but no worry. Thought everything I got alright. What about things, buy food and something there? But don't worry yourself. We are gonna make it.
Are you not for worry yourself? Are you not for worry yourself?
Where you get money from?
The money come. Plus say man legit, baby. Man legit.
Hold on, you take money.
20,000. Make it 10 and get back 20. See, they count it up for yourself. 5, 10, 15, 20. I'm gonna get more.
Eh? Jesus, you work hard for sure. I'm sorry, say me doubt you.
Oh man, it's good man. Everybody, I saw that you doubt Jesus stuff. I want to see that. We do it. We prove ourselves and we do it. The whole lot for yourself.
What?
A
joke.
Oh.
A joke.
Yeah.
Me want so you look.
That's right, man. Boy, it's nice, man.
Yeah, thank you.
No problem. You see, baby.
Yeah, everything work out fine.
Work out for the best. So what I'm gonna do now? I'm going to make a little money because you know so I have to go to work. So I'm make one big money. See if I can get on 50,000 and game. See if I can earn 100 baht.
No, I think this was the first and the last time.
No, more time today. A lot of time today.
What you want at a time, Davi?
Well, baby, I'm rich, I go rich. Me can't wait to make 1 million.
Listen to what I am saying. Davi, this thing is not right. Not because it work one time that don't say it go work again. I buck ups make it work and now. Cause sit there whole day wait for the money and I know the money can't come.
Buck up, make you have in your hands. Buck up, make you have a take and buy something nice. Well, if I buck up, me like that buck up then. Me don't mind me buck up more.
Well, alright, let's try to finish. I'm happy for you, I'm happy say it a work out. But please, me a big as I said to you before, you must think wisely before you do what you do.
Baby, me not cut you. But guess what? No, another time. Up way up now. You see how long we struggle. No, it's this time.
Alright,
you see that, just take that 10 grand and buy it. Me leave business.
This is 10 grand now.
Me no business.
I know if you buy something.
I'm rich.
We not rich yet.
Me have a rich now.
20 grand don't make we rich.
No, not yet. You put more money.
Listen to me, I say.
Put more money, baby.
This is what I'm saying, me. You see at 10 grand, yeah? You see at 10 grand, yeah? I know if you rough. I have to put on the mortgage before the people them come and dig up the house.
As I tell her, me look at my bar.
We are gonna put on this money, yeah? Figure put on the mortgage. So I don't know spending time everything about the mortgage, here.
Alright.
Yes. So we are going.
Yeah, rich out, man. Okay?
Yes.
Rich out. Say it with me. Rich.
Yeah, rich.
Rich out.
Yes,
Rich out. Rich out.
Yeah, baby, me tell us me a forward. Anytime me get a piece of money, me a forward. Me I get 50,000 this week from my PAB. And me I get $49,999. So me I go left back with $1, baby, a year. No, you know me no cap. Would I do anything for you, baby? Would I cry for you, die for you, and eat bull of dry for you? Me no want no water, no drinks, no, baby. So where would I take your money and do? Oh, you're smart. Yo, let me put one of my dog them account check. Me soon call her back. God, you don't know Davi.
How me ask about money? I says,
You don't worry about that, bro.
I worry for true. Let me tell you why I'm not worry.
Why?
Spell rich.
R-I-C.
Wrong. D-A-V-I. Davi, rich. Davi is rich. Let me tell you why I'm rich.
How?
Just bingo. Me cash out the cash. Then, but me tell us me I do.
I lie at you.
Okay, what boy you say lie mark for me? I sell that real. Me rich. Here I go. Me give that 10,000. You dog give me back 10,000. More than the 10,000. So me have 20. Here I go on, me dog. Right now, me not see who hype like me. I'm medium hype right now.
So Davi, 20,000 make you rich.
I don't make me rich dog. It's just the opportunity for everything you go bring.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're not rich yet.
No, I'm not rich yet, but maybe they're on the road. So here I go, bro. Right now, me I line up 50 pack. See if me can go and also line up in idea. Or maybe tomorrow latest. See if me can get dog.
You sure you trust that with the 50 packs?
So if me trust it with 10, why difference with 50?
That more, yeah?
Yeah, that mean more money.
Why? You have run some risk there with your life. Yo, you love gambling, you know?
Well, gambling I work. If I gamble, I call you know. Can't tell you that.
Just hope you come through still.
I hope you come through to come and buy a beer now, bro. Now you're good to me still, I'm gonna buy a beer, you know. But right now I tell you still, dog. Right now I'm rich. I'm rich.
Well, you name Davi Rich.
Rich.
So anything is possible right now, car. Why?
I want to page up on still. I want to stay in a bit. But around 20,000.
Spell Rich.
Or
No, Tibby Rich.
Tibby Rich.
Yeah, Tibby Rich.
Tibby Rich.
And me rich. I make sure you give me back my money, you know. Don't ever feel like you go gamble my money and lose, you know, Davi.
No, how kind of gamble? Bro, I don't know gamble is my own. I tell me that's a legit thing. Yo, like how you have money, why you can't afford it in panic? I dog so me can't bring in people.
Remember me rich. I mean name Tibby Rich.
No, but me has to afford him that and we can bring in panic. Bro, me let me first 10 grand, you know. And see you give me 20, yeah. I'm not making extra money on it, bro.
No, bro, me can't. Me not do that. Remember me rich already, bro. You forgot try rich now.
I will get rich and I wrote it 2 grand. Believe me.
Remember, don't lose and come tell me no dopey story, you know.
What kind of, bro, I'll be able to win, dog.
Alright.
Yeah.
You alright? What you do?
Just feel nice. Just feel nice.
That's wonderful.
What Tibby may I come from, you know?
You want to be hard?
Yeah, baby. No ask for something, but me not have things.
That's why I'm not vex. Why would I?
The 10,000 or make you idea. You can lend me back. Please.
Which $10,000 you thought?
You go with you a couple days ago and make it money on me keep it cash.
You know that money there again. Me say me put on that money. Me say me put on that money there.
No, I say if you can lend me. That 10,000 I will make you. Just lend me back. I'm on a deal.
How we want to deal with so?
Alright, I have 20,000. I go borrow from Tibby. I'm on that. I have my 10,000.
Where you got to Tibby buy money for?
Well, no. I have my 10,000. I'm gonna want that 10,000. I'm gonna want borrow 10,000 differently from you. Not from the money I make you, but from you. So you know I'm gonna have 50,000. I'm gonna go to the dog and give me and get my 100,000. So do it.
No, sir. First of all, let me explain something to you. Me love you. I hope you understand that. But me not love you that amount of love there. To give you, lend you my money if you go do foolishness. If it was a life and death situation, I would have lend you it.
No, I'm not foolishness. You say it work already.
No! Are you a gamble, not me?
No,
Me then of them they gamble someday.
You say thing legit. You say legit.
The only money I have is 50,000 what I put on in the house to see if when rainy day come. Rainy day no come yet. So I'm sorry for you. So I don't know how you gonna borrow money from people. Where you get money from?
Kayla, the thing legit. You say first time making money. Say you can't lend me money.
No, sir, I'm sorry.
Alright, you can at least lend me back 10,000 and make you yes.
But you want about it? No, me not have money.
Kayla, really?
You mean by really?
Really?
You mean by really?
Me have make opportunity and better life for me. All I have to do, if you don't want to lend me your 10,000, just lend me one and make you lend. Me give you back with that money pan to show you. Come show us that I get it back. At least I'm not going
The
to
10,000 I take for you and say if you put on the mortgage money, you want back.
at least that. I want 10,000 from you too. So you can't lend me 10,000 from you?
No, me can't lend 10,000. It's that only 10,000 I mean, no. My money if you put on for serious matter. Me don't know business with you. I give people money and people give you back money. Me go give you my money now and they run off with you. Where you gonna look at me and tell me say sorry?
I run off with it. You know that man, then I run off with
Me
it.
sorry. We're going there. You're looking at the drawer. And you shift the socks, nice socks drawer. You see the money right at the back. You take out $10,000. $10,000.
Tell her.
10.
Tell her. You better you go for it.
All the better.
Go for it.
We go for the money.
Alright.
I come like here with your stand.
Alright, so now 30,000. And we'll give me 10. This sound.
Oh God.
Huh?
I'm tired. Oh. See 10,000 a year. 10,000 I made if you put on, you pay the mortgage. I made it change up because I know Yes.
So you not put nothing extra on it?
Mm-mm.
Maybe are you made this one? I know me, you know? She believe in it, man. Like, you not believe in me?
Last time I get $10,000.
So you not believe in me? So me,
Yes, me believe in you, but me don't believe in the man.
me believe in it. You work for it. And I like you know work, you know.
Davi, maybe have a peaceful day. Pick a little time and go do what you go do.
Alright.
They ask it 10, you get 10. But more you want.
Alright. So I have 40 in total now. But I really want to have 50, but I'm sending off 40 and get back to 40. So come on.
You still have the 40, you get 80. Like a 40 that I go say while ago, like you don't lose count.
Alright.
Yeah, alright. I'm going to give you my money. Yes, sir.
Actually, Aliyah,
I go and
you do a spot.
me there sit down and go and breathe out. If
Yeah.
this hot man say, Bob, I never go to cool.
Well, I'm see you from I want to tell you thanks, sir.
Thank, oh, see same thing there.
Yeah, man, boss, he come, this bro, like, she come meet me, even when he find me hard. She tell me hard, he come. She have pass the money in my hand right now. I don't have bank, me I go. Ready pass the money, I go and send one piece of money, you know.
So much money I send so.
Well, you know, so I have 50 pack, me go and keep, but I couldn't get the last 10,000. So I just have to go settle the party, you know.
Alright, listen to me now. You see big guy money, your deposit,
More.
more money I get.
No, but that's why I'm mad, man, about your Aliyah, will keep me what, hey. So,
Just why not just invest 100 pack?
I have it.
Well, last time me invest 100 pack I get back 400 so.
No, none at all.
Oh, okay, man.
I'm sure I'm my money no big. I'm when I bought me a property in the ribs.
Well, do something for you though, no?
Man, I'll start my life, I'll start. But Aliyah, give me that. Thank you.
No, give it there, me.
Aliyah, not even know where.
What me tell you say?
I just show my respect. Look, come here.
Alright.
Hey.
Hello.
Why pray?
They all look on your face.
You can't see that.
Oh,
Guess what, man?
what happened?
Me landing on my NCB, my rich out again. Rich out again. Say it with me. Rich out again. Rich
You reach out again?
rich out again.
So, which money that you have to what
I
again?
say a couple of days ago, I said I get 40,000 man. When I borrow 10,000 and send rich out again.
Oh, that money there.
Mm-hmm.
That money there. Well, congratulations. Me happy for you.
Happy for me too.
So, at the last time this now, you're all right.
This is coming like a beginning. Me not stop until me reach 100 million, and then the time me not stop till me reach 100 billion, and then after that 1 trillion billion. You know, believe?
You know, so you're greedy.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
You're very greedy.
But if alright, so what am I greedy? Greedy because I want money. Greedy because me I work.
You want so much. You're not work, Davi. You're not working.
Yeah,
All you do is borrowing money and giving it to the man, and the man giving you a lot of money. So that me as you have. How we know that is work?
Well, me not hurt nobody. Me not hear nobody a cry. Me not see nobody a run with the police. As far as me see it is a win-win-win-win. I just you a lose. I make up a face. I'm
Davi,
telling
I
you.
want you. I want you. I tell you, say it's best you take out yourself out of that for now. Because you don't know what can happen. You might lucky today, you might bad lucky tomorrow. You don't know what can happen. Take my foolish advice here and take yourself out of it.
Alright.
So second with the little 80,000 when you have now, you said the 10,000 you borrow from me, you can't keep that. But me not lend you no more money. So don't come to me asking for no more money. Because I not have no money I lend. I'm not the bank.
Really?
And you remember see you hold the bank money.
Then hit me and try sort out. Hit me and try sort out.
Much money you put on since you start making all of
I
that?
can't put on none, because I not make enough yet. Not make enough yet. When I pay off that, a different ball game, man. I'm telling you, so I reach 200,000. I just double it one more time, get the 400, pay bank, the 200 and just have that money there.
And I got 200 and add, Davi. I got more and interest go on the you know, you see me gone in the bank.
Rich, you know, rich. No business about that.
$80,000 do not make you rich. That is not rich.
Exactly. That's why I have to keep on flip the cash. I have to.
You know what? Make it stay. Just do what you want to do. Are you alive?
Yeah.
Don't worry yourself.
See after everything work out and I some reach around 4 million. Just buy one car and drive straight down. You like Benz?
Where you get 4 million from?
By the time I done flip, by the time I flip my back.
You know how no more flip I get. Remember if you give back the people the money where you borrow.
Yeah, they okay, man. Okay.
Anyways, me I walk up on the road. Anyways, me I walk down on the road and come back.
Okay.
So when you know you talk about flip, remember you know. Go and give back Tibby the money when you borrow the $20,000.
Someone give him that, man. Someone give him that. Baby.
You get the money and now say you can't give him.
Yeah, me I give him, man. Me I give him.
Alright.
Baby.
Hmm?
Rich. Say it with me. Rich.
You're rich in your mind.
Rich. Good.
How on?
Yeah, they up some mama.
What you do with this?
No shot.
Get up. I'm tired.
Hello.
No, for me, I want from get you so far. I know taxi if we can drive, come up here, so.
Boy, don't worry about it, man. I soon buy one big house for the scheme. I just wait me away.
Listen to me, no enough for that.
Eh?
We have a big food for chop down. I don't hear look one. And Mr. Brown will link me and say if we put together 500,000, he make me get back $2 million.
Say that again. I don't think me hear good.
If me give him 500,000, he make me get back $2 million.
$2 million?
Yes, $2 million.
So we are wait one.
There's a problem.
No problem, man.
Me not have 500,000, I only have 350.
You can't make them deal the pass. What you gonna do?
150 more, so are you me call link? So if I can give me 150, put it two together with the 350, 500. When me get the 2 million now, me give you one and take one. Me not watch no
get 1 million them.
Yeah, me
You
not
get 1 million.
Remember see me a friend now, and a far where I come from, you know, so and me get 2 million, me give you 1 million. Me not watch no face. I don't like not because me put a bigger amount of money me I go take.
Watch you know. Yeah, watch you make me up. This I gonna give me back 80,000 this morning, right? You give me 40, I'm tell her. So me have 20,000 to give back to become the borrowing. I'm money for
Tibby can't wait.
how long this money? No, but me tell him to get me can get it by a certain time. How long this money that take to come through?
Tomorrow we get back the $2 million.
So fast, you know why it come so fast?
True. Remember say and me, Mr. Brown know first no. I know nowadays when me give him like one money, he give me it back in a couple hours time. But if you throw a $2 million, it go take 24 hours.
So, I want so much you know tell you know rate me. I mean rate me.
No, because remember you just come in a game, you know. Me in a long time. A long time me I work do work. So you just come in a rookie. So stay in a rookie position and wait man.
And as you say, alright, if me not give back Tibby, I only 80,000 would have.
So
You can't get that and find yours.
No, me go find it from
Me not have it.
try get it man. Borrow it from your girlfriend or something.
So my girlfriend against my girlfriend don't plan on giving me no more money.
If you not get it, me don't know how it go work. But that 80 that can't work, you go on 70 more. Can't work. You see that? You take it out our savings or you borrow it from somebody else. Else we can't make a big deal like us, you know?
Alright.
You want to talk kids now?
Tell her, give me 1 hour. Just
1 hour.
just die yard. Me leave here yard. Just give me 1 hour. Please.
Make sure you call me within 1 hour, you know, you can't leave me. Because if you don't come through, me go to somebody else, make somebody else get the 1 million.
Hey. That way does it.
So just make sure you come
Just spit out where does it tell me what.
Alright.
80,000. More 150 that I want 2, 3, 4, 5. 70,000. But Kayla did say you have 50,000 there. But I don't want to take money from Kayla. But I take more than take it from him, you know, 'cause if I borrow it, Aliyah say me I get it back tomorrow. That means I would have 130 tomorrow. So if I find the other 20,000, I might can link Tibby to 20,000. So if I find all of that, I make it $1 million. I just get Kayla extra 100 for himself. You know, he need to know. Me just put it down. You know, he not know nothing. Rich! Kayla, save money there. See you. Then, oh, Kayla said I just 50,000 you have. How is it just 50,000 you have?
Being don't worry yourself about it have to come true. Remember, so we've been a save how long, you know, we finally go reach a goal. You see, there's some money I one time in carry 150,000 come give me. You see, after in carry can give me, we reach a goal.
Yeah.
So we can run off now.
I put my trust in there, but I'm sure this is correct.
Me sure. You know, long more when I got watch it up on the scheme out, go up on the scheme, you know, a big house and so off. Don't worry about him, I will soon get him money.
You know, when you go up there, you know, we only spend 3 months, and then we have to end up move, come back. You know, at
You know,
least
we are gonna do. Remember, so we don't know we plan now. When we get some money, while we're up there, the same thing we do here, so. I gotta do it up here, so. So, I don't know, 3 months thing, a year's thing. You understand?
I think I said still like that.
I remember some Mr. Brown help, what we are worried about.
Yeah. I was just saying that and that. Oh.
Yeah?
Oh, you run back?
Mm-hmm.
How come? What one?
I pray.
Let me get your money, you know.
You get the money? Wait, say get the money that you sure?
Get your man, but
Whole 150.
still me I said, yeah, so give me your bank account. I have 8 to me get from Mr. Brown in bank.
Oh.
Me have 8 to me get from him in a bank.
So,
But me have some US 100. How much US I know?
15,100.
Alright, so 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. Alright.
So, go send me 80.
No, me can't send up 80, no 150 I say.
Oh, yeah, go send me
Send a
75.
Yeah, I'm send a receipt make. I'll be looking for 5,000. So, yeah, sure.
Illegit. Just believe in the
you
members.
know
They
what,
never believe in me
No,
first
but
time,
me
you
I
know,
say it
man.
never so fast it. And Mr. Brown don't normal link man, never so fast it.
Just believe in man. It will come true. So just me go text my banking information. They just send me 75,000. Quick and fast. When me send, cause Mr. Brown, you know, Mr. Brown time means money. And I get back the money then my time at tomorrow. So then my time at tomorrow, you just gonna link me. I get the money in a cash. I even have to give it but I get it in a cash. Understand? Yeah, man. So just send me 75,000, you know. Make sure.
No,
Davi, don't
me
play.
give you money in your hand already. Do me have it then.
Alright. Okay.
Look on me.
Alright. Siano. Bye. Good amount. So by the time then we can deal with the mortgage and all of that. And if we get that £30 that day. Yeah man. So Richie. Alright. No man.
Why is somebody coming here so? I don't even look like somebody. I look like Davi trouble my money. Oh, hold on, let me look at a dryer. Let me see if he move from where and put you over here so. Jesus Christ. Davi provoke me money, Lord of God. I don't even look to see if how much he take out. Me I go wait pan him till he come. Cause me no want to go in there and me have to have things, you know. Mess up my blood pressure. Mess up my blood pressure.
You could have made it on my mind.
I'm so glad I reached home. Sit down. More talk to sit down right there, so sit down, so hurry up. Davi, I know the two of them live here. And nobody else now come visit me. And somebody come visit me, and your friend them come here and like Paris, they come up on the veranda. Right? I don't know if today you was clean up in the room and you decide to go in the drawer and fix up anything and you might replace my money. You might take it up and put it somewhere else. So you can ask to say I wish I had my money there.
Yeah. Which money that?
Money in my drawer. Money in my drawer missing. I know say money in my drawer missing.
How much money from your drawer missing?
I'm not sure as yet. But it look like money missing. So I don't know if I take out here and put it in the other drawer. But I'm looking at the other drawer and I don't see it. So I don't know if you hide it somewhere else. So just tell me I go pick it up.
I saw me not move the money from now.
What?
Me not move the money from out your drawer and put it somewhere else.
So you don't move the money? So don't believe in you now?
Don't be alright.
Me I don't be then.
Alright, Kayla. Me don't. Oh my God, you hold free money so fast. Me never know.
Me only look for the money so fast. From the moment me come in, me see I know some me left the drawer and me have money, me have people money put on in there and my money when me save how long put on in there. So me have to check panny. Me every day me check.
Alright, Kayla. I tell you the truth. I borrow money. And me use it to something important. But no worry, I buy it tomorrow, I get it back. And me all put interest on it. So you don't afford for all of that.
Who lend you money?
Eh?
Who lend you money?
No, but I told me I leave Kayla. I remember saying me live and no problem that.
But me never give you my money.
No, but me go give you back.
Give me my money now.
Me use it already, me go give you
Who
back.
use my money to Davi?
Kayla, me give you back your money tomorrow morning.
Wait, where you use money though?
Me give you back your
Me
money.
tell you say me I go on the road and come back, right? When me come back, my money gone. Why you never ask me to borrow the money before me go on the road? But me say yes or no. You wait till me gone.
I don't say me wait till I gone.
Is that borrow money? Steal it.
No, I'm for steal from you.
You never give it to you, say me I lend you.
No, but listen up. But me give you back with extra money. So you don't have to worry about it. Sometimes opportunity come and you don't realize. Just listen to me, I say me give you back your money tomorrow.
You take my money though.
Me invest it.
You know what?
Me want alright, watch out, you see this money what invest. Take it back. And 1 million. Tomorrow me I get it. Me I get it 1 million. So just easy, you don't have to worry about it.
Davi, every day me tell them, you are invest in your stupidness, not me. Don't haul my money in there. Which other money me take up?
What mean which one money? No one money you have in there.
No, me have US and Jamaican money in there. What you talk about?
It's not Jamaican. It's not Jamaican money. And the next thing too, hey, you know say I lie do. Can you tell me say 50,000 you have when me looking there how much US me see in there? I believe US could account that come like all 120
I don't mind the US money, you know.
So who you hold money for Duppy?
People, partner money. People will get them partner and they give me for whole and pan.
So what's so special about you make people like give money for land pan?
I say me not trouble people money like you. Me not gonna be like people back and take up. You know what I do? Me not gonna go in. You tell me she saying tomorrow morning come give me people money because it's not my money. Me I can't go in. Okay, me turn out here, me take some clock you done.
Yo, you get the money tomorrow, yeah?
Not touch me, man. Then you could have wait till me there, you tell me wait till me gone and where they go in and go steal the money.
Me not steal it, opportunity come, me not steal, me steal it. You're so alright, you're rich out. You're rich, alright.
Davi,
Hmm?
the money me come for.
No, man, I later on that evening you'll get you.
Today you say me I get you.
Yeah, but later.
Today come now.
No, later on that evening, man. Don't worry about it.
Davi, so me I say. You see the money? It is not mine. It's not mine. It's people money. People think people can come at any time and can pop out at any time and say they want their money. I mean, I'm going to figure them. So me I beg you, please make me get the money. You don't have to give me no extra penny. Keep the extra. Just give back the people the money. You understand what I say? I want dangerous world we live in now. Dangerous time and all. People come and charge the money, they want a boss war and want to make something.
No, don't worry about you. You'll get your money.
So the people, the money will want back.
You'll get your money. And as I said, I'll make you get the extra too. Don't worry about it now.
Me not need no extra, me need the money. Anyhow, me not get the money today. You see what take place. Come me the talk to you now here. And it's the fact that you go behind me back. You know, wait till me there, you say such as it, me say, okay then. Make me say, alright, let me go lend you. And me say, no.
Yo, you'll get your money. Just easy, you'll get your money. Alright.
Alright. Me I go in.
Davi!
Yo,
Yo, what go on, brother?
what?
Say a link me forward, dog.
Link you with what? Yo, matter of fact, sit down now, man. Forward, man. Link you with what?
No must be money higher.
It's 20,000.
Brother, fan when me lend me money, bro. Bro, now tell me for she, bro.
You know, she know that you're going to account to where I know some more. You want 20,000. I want you, bro. So we're dogging on my yo. I want you, man.
So, Davi, you know about rich again?
Tibby, right now, me I got richer than ever before. Alright, yo. I told me like that business, bro. But you see that 20 grand that you give me, I'll get it back today, bro. And yes, because you're a real youth. Make you 20 penny. You believe?
Bro.
You believe?
Bro.
You believe? Tell me see you believe.
Me I don't nobody, bro. Me believe, bro.
But what?
But me want my money right now, bro.
No, I not even, man. I not even you get it.
Davi, let me tell you this. Make sure you no done and me no get my money now. About 3 days now or 2 days now, you borrow my money now.
I have more than that, but you'll get your money, man.
Alright, sir.
Believe?
Money me come board.
You
Believe. More have my money now. Believe. Go over me heart, bro. For when me been away from my money now, you hide.
Boy, you hide, man, yo.
What you mean?
How?
You not come check me again.
Come here under stress. I train and know certain things.
Brother,
Yes.
alright. Let me get my money, bro.
Just won't get it. Like everybody want their money today, man. I have to go make some call and see what I want for my money too. On my phone there. Oh, what's it? See if I can find Aliyah. Well, Miss Brown. Just a call him, that means I'm online. Alright. Well, later, everything good. Later on, me get your money. Yo, time, I know. Call Aliyah now, get him. Now, make Mr. Brown now. Go on, Aliyah. Aliyah! 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 But with certain things in man. Aliyah! Aliyah!
Yeah,
Aliyah!
what going?
Afternoon, good evening. I think let me look for man.
Oh,
Aliyah, the tickers will live right here, sir.
Aliyah gone, man. Aliyah move out now.
Move on, gone, where?
No, she just move out her thing, them, bro, and gone, bro.
Move out our things. What? With my money?
No know about that.
Jesus Christ, I don't understand this. Why I've got to go burn down the house?
No, father, you can't burn down my house. If you burn down my house,
What do you mean,
the rent Aliyah pay, bro.
Rent?
You can't burn down my house.
Sign off your house?
No, father.
Jesus Christ, I'm so far, Mr. Bro. Me go after respect. Me go call Mr. Bro.
Alright.
Me go call Mr. Bro. Man, me go call Mr. Bro or Aliyah, but don't get to answer my phone now enough. Cause me like foolish enough. Don't know foolish with my money. How long me I sending my money? No problem, no right. You want me know when me sending big money? Hello,
Hello, good afternoon. Who is it?
Mr. Brown. Good afternoon. This is Davi. Which one my money there? Which one my money there?
Which one are you talking about, Davi?
Mr. Brown, me know I foolishness. Yesterday, Aliyah come to me and say, it will forgive you 500,000. I buy this evening, then time you go give back 2 million. So where your money there, sir?
Hold on. First thing, you're sure you're talking to the right Mr. Brown? Because remember you have a lot of fraud. Are you sure it's this one?
No, Mr. Brown, this will flip cash and give back people money.
Yeah, man, I'm the same man, but Aliyah didn't say anything to me.
What?
Aliyah didn't say anything to me. Aliyah didn't link me about any money. I don't know what you're talking about.
What? So,
I don't know what you're talking about.
Aliyah no come to you yesterday. You not tell Aliyah say you have one special offer where if you give him 500,000. You go give him back 2 million. You quadruple money and give him back 2 million.
I didn't speak with Aliyah.
Jesus Christ. Alright, sorry.
Yep.
Jesus Christ, Aliyah take the money. Aliyah take the money and move with that dirty girl. Kayla.
Evening, I know you're saying at the evening. Evening, I know.
Kayla. Me not have the money here.
Is that you?
Kayla, me not have the money.
Everybody don't have the money.
You know what I say?
I know.
Kayla,
Is that why you prank me the first time when I get to 20? You know what prank me I know. I catch hard failure.
No, Kayla.
Just hand me the money.
Kayla, me not have the money for true.
So the money there?
Me get scam, Kayla.
You sit that
They
way.
take your money and run gone, Kayla. Me not... Kayla. I call Aliyah phone from man and can't get it.
Aliyah. So now Mr. Brown, I think you give money too. No, Aliyah.
No, I mean,
Oh God.
Kayla, you don't understand.
Look how me want you there and tell say then there's something that is not right, it is wrong, and I don't believe in it.
No,
I tell say puss and dog don't have it set up, but you still pick up yourself and go in it.
Kayla, you don't understand. You don't think you understand. I know Mr. Brown, I scammer. Aliyah, me give money too.
So you tell me say you take my money, you go behind my back. And if my money I take you go give woman.
No, you don't understand. Me, Aliyah tell me say Mr.
No,
Brown.
sir.
Aliyah tell me say Mr. Brown have a special offer. So comes when I keep
Which special offer Mr. Brown give me tell you something. You know Mr. Brown number. Mr. Brown call you and tell you that?
No, but...
You need more discussion about that?
No, but because you know Aliyah...
But yet still, you wait till me gone out of the yard, gone on the road. You go bend back and go in them house, go thief out money and give woman. Let me tell you something. Because my mother already, you know. I'm going to tell my mother say me I come down there, come stay.
So,
Me I left you. This a relationship is over. Finish.
no.
It done.
No.
So set your body good.
No.
Set your body good. Set your body back up.
No.
Back up, back up, man. Back up, man.
We're not finished.
And the next thing to see a people money you take out. Me I give you till 1 week time.
Yeah, me give you back your money. Just
1 week time to find back the people and money. If you don't find back the people and money, mark my words. Police going to involve in it.
No.
I don't know where you're going to get it from.
No.
Where you're going to figure it out. Hello.
No, police staff involved. Police staff
Look after me.
involved. Police staff involved. Police staff
Look after
involved.
me. Because see me pop me.
No.
Later on, me come up here and me cry.
No, police staff.
I want you never hear. We don't have time for this.
You're not.
What in the house, man? What a run back at me? Look how many want you. What a father.
Waiting. Oh, watch out. Gonna make it to a movie, man. Alright, so you see how we get rich fast. Remember, people, sometimes slow money is better than no money. This is just a lesson. No fall for everything you see. And remember, like, comment, subscribe, and check out the other videos. Because we been do it and we still do it. Remember, if you're interested in donation, just link with. I'll link with me, we know what I'm going. But until next time, we soon.